Subaru fans have a problem. We love the AWD. Trust the capability. We take these cars places most SUVs won't go. But let's be honest, we don't always trust the engines. Head gasket issues, oil consumption, CVT concerns. So, for 2027, Subaru is making its biggest move yet. They're bringing in Toyota hybrid technology. And that raises a serious question. Is this a reliability upgrade, or just more complexity waiting to fail? The Toyota factor. Trust. Toyota's hybrid systems are some of the most proven in the industry. Millions of vehicles, hundreds of thousands of miles. And here's something most people don't realize. Toyota's hybrid system doesn't use a traditional belt-driven CVT. It uses a planetary gear system, often called an eCVT. Fewer moving parts, less mechanical stress, more long-term durability. So while hybrid sounds complex, this system might actually be simpler than what Subaru used before. Powertrain breakdown. How the system works. The 2027 Forester Hybrid combines a 2.5-liter flat-4 engine, an electric motor for propulsion, a secondary motor acting as a generator. Together, they produce around 194 horsepower. Not a huge jump, but here's what matters: torque delivery. The electric motor provides immediate response, making the vehicle feel quicker and more responsive than the numbers suggest. This is about usability, not just performance. Ruggedness reality check. The biggest concern from your audience? Will it still feel like a real Subaru? The new Forester Hybrid Wilderness gives us some answers. 9.3 inches of ground clearance, all-terrain tires, underbody protection, dedicated snow and mud modes. That's not just styling, that's real capability. But the question remains, does the hybrid system compromise that rugged identity? AWD, mechanical versus electric. Traditional Subaru models use symmetrical AWD, a mechanical system known for balance and reliability. With hybrids, some systems switch to electric rear motors, eAWD. You don't trust systems that rely purely on software. So what matters is how Subaru integrates this system. If it maintains mechanical integrity and predictable torque distribution, it keeps its off-road credibility. If it leans too heavily on software simulation, that trust could fade. Efficiency versus long-term use. What you gain? Fuel economy is expected around 35 mpg combined. For an all-wheel drive SUV, that's a major improvement. That means lower fuel costs, better daily usability, less engine strain over time. Because the electric motor handles low-speed driving, the engine doesn't work as hard in traffic, and that can actually extend engine life. Mechanical control versus software. This is a big one. Many modern vehicles are becoming software-defined machines. More code, more sensors, more potential failure points. But Subaru seems to be taking a balanced approach, keeping physical driving feel, predictable all-wheel drive behavior, practical usability, while adding hybrid efficiency. And for many buyers, that balance is everything. Real buyer question. So this comes down to one decision. Do you trust the future or stick with the past? Would you choose a modern hybrid system backed by Toyota reliability, or an older, simpler engine with known weaknesses? Because this isn't just about specs, it's about confidence. So here's the real question. Can this Forester go 300,000 miles? If Toyota's hybrid system delivers as expected, the answer might finally be yes. And that could change everything for Subaru. Would you trust a hybrid Subaru with Toyota tech for the next 15 years? Or would you stick with something simpler? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see how this Forester Hybrid compares to its biggest rival, watch the next video on your screen. Click it now.